Welcome back, kids. In this video, we will learn how to make a beautiful Rakshabandhan card. So, let's start. First, what you have to take a rectangular paper, or you can even take A4 sheets and fold it in two parts. Just like this. You can take a A4 sheet here and you can fold it like this. So it's very simple, and like this you will get a shape of a card. So now I'm already having and put the border on it. Now what is the next step? The next step is you have to use any plastic sheet or anything which doesn't soak water. So now we are going to take a tissue and going to make a ball of it like this and some watercolors. So here first I will pick three colors, that is orange, yellow and pink. And for this technique what we have to do, we have to take a little water and make the tissue wet, not completely, very little, and then just slowly dab it on the paper. So once your paper gets wet, take little amount of yellow like this and then start dabbing it on your card like this. Just try to take a very little and keep on dabbing like this. Now again I will take a little water and start in the bottom part, and here I will pick some orange like this, very little of orange, and keep on doing the same technique like this. And after this, little of pink. For pink, very little like this with the same tissue. I'm going to dab it like the same way. If you feel that tissue is going dry, just tap it in the water and start dabbing it again. So like this way you will get the effect of pink, orange and yellow. And little I'm going up to give the effect of some pink over here. And once this is done, okay, so you can see once it's done, keep the tissue aside, go and wash your hands and let it get dry for 5 minutes under the fan. My card is all dried up. Now it's time to make the design on the card. So first I'm going to make a border with the help of a scale. All the four sides. Once my border is drawn, now line here, and for that thing I'm going to draw a line like this and this. Then one more line, little big here, then one smaller one like this. Okay, so once our lines are drawn, then you have to pick any circle shape and keep it in the center and make a round shape with that cap. So this way, here and here. Once your shape is done, now start making design inside the circles. So for this, very simple pattern, making circles, and then from the inner line design, you are finished with this, then flower shape here like this. So after this, coming to this circle, here manner and then adding the whole circle covers with the design. And now coming to this circle, again I'm going to add 3-4 circles the side, and then here adding some zeros, or you can say circles, and filling our entire shape. And once this is done, the next part is to give design to the outer part of the circle. Here I'm just giving same here. These are done. Now time to add some beads here hanging. So for that I had make U same here. This is all done, and here I keep on adding more beads. You can add more beads, you can add even zigzag, whatever you want. Some are smaller shape and some are of big size like this. So this way our greeting is ready. Now it's time to add and write Happy Rakshabandhan, because we had made this card for Rakshabandhan. And the most important part is that from where did you learn this? So I learned KidsNagri. After this, the last part is to add. So this way my card is all ready. Now what you can do, you can try with more colors and you can create more beautiful cards with the same technique. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Keep creating, keep coloring, keep drawing your art.